Hey cousins, it's been a while. Y'all just don't know the behind the scenes. It's been a while since I've talked in front of this camera, so I'm excited. Today's video is going to be on this gorgeous unit that looks like my hair. Tell me this don't look like I'm fresh out the shop. Silk press. Shout out to SheIn for sponsoring today's video. All opinions about this unit are definitely my own. If you guys are interested in checking out SheIn, I'll have all their information linked down below in my description box, along with a direct link to this wig, because baby, she's it. So the way this video is going to go, I'm going to give you guys a brief introduction, and then we're going to get into the styling. This is day 2 of me rocking this unit, and let me tell you, I thought I was feeling this wig yesterday, but today I fell in love. So let me give you guys a brief rundown about this unit before we hop into the installation. This is a Glueless HD lace front wig, and it is a kinky straight texture. It's a bob. I have it in 14 inches and it's giving. The closure is a 6x4 closure, and you can choose between 10 and 14 inches. So this wig comes in 10, 12, and 14 inches. Like I said, this is 14 inches. So if you want it shorter, you can get it shorter. And you can choose between 150% density. Y'all know I'm go big or go home. So I got 180% density. And let me tell you, you can go with 150 because this is a lot of hair. It's nice and tamed right now because I flat ironed it twice. I flat ironed it yesterday. You're going to see in the styling clip how full it was. It's definitely a blowout texture. I'm so mad I lost the unboxing clip, but I am going to insert an overlay of how the cap construction looks on this wig. And again, it's a 6x4 closure unit. This unit comes pre-plucked. SheIn did that. And it has those kinky texture edges. Let me come up closer so y'all can get into this hairline. Y'all see that? I did pull out a little bit of my natural hair. And this is how it looks. But get into the hairline. Yesterday, I had it pushed all the way back so you guys can see if you don't want any of the baby hairs out in the front. You don't have to utilize them. I just felt like it looked so natural, so I wanted to do a little switch up. When I'm reviewing wigs, if you guys are new to my channel, I like to go in depth. So I typically, if it's a human hair wig, I don't like to slap it on and just tell you guys I love it. I want to wear it for at least 24 to 48 hours so I can give you guys my full-on opinion. In the install, I'm going to do a voiceover and go into more depth of like my experience with this wig so far, because I have had it on for over 24 hours. So I'm going to hush for now, but I'll meet you guys over in the installation session. As you can see, this hair holds heat extremely well. I used my flat iron at 370 the first day, and it just gave the hair a relaxed look, more like a blowout look. And this is how it looks. The ends are blunt. That would be about the only thing I wasn't 100% feeling about this unit, but voila. The next day I flat ironed the hair at 420 degrees, and it gave body. It gave this hair that silk press look, and now it's mimicking my natural hair to the T. I slightly bumped the ends and it was given. You see how this texture looks? Perfect. If you wanted to, you could silk it out even more, but I feel like this is the perfect ratio of not too kinky, but not too silky. And it just reminds me of my natural hair when I press it out. Of course, I had to go in and add some face framing layers to bring this hair to life, and that is what it did. It started looking even more natural, and I got compliments. And you know, people be thinking this is our natural hair, right? Especially when the hairline is looking the way it's looking. So if you want a unit that you can wear every day and you can fool possibly even your own family members, SheIn has you covered. And this wig is super affordable too. You cannot go wrong. Straight out the package, it does have a slight chemical smell, so I suggest you go in and shampoo the hair and condition it, and you're good to go. I received slight shedding, but nothing crazy at all. It doesn't shed every time I run my fingers through it or anything like that. It's just the minimal amount of shedding you would get when you brush the hair out. Nothing to complain about. I just want to come back and let you guys know that I love this wig. And this unit right now, for the specs that I have, retails for $89. It is under $100. Go get this wig. I'll have all the information linked down below in the description box. If you wanted a unit that you can pull your natural hair out and just wear your natural hairline, this is definitely the wig for you. Everyday corporate look, gym appropriate, glueless. It's just everything that I would want in a natural texture wig. And the price, baby, the price is right. Let me know how you feel about this wig down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to share this video, like it, and yes, bye. It's too good.